Interjection. An interjection expresses strong emotion and is often followed by an exclamation mark. For example, wow, that house is huge. The interjection in this sentence is wow. Ouch, that hurt. The interjection in this sentence is ouch. Now I will go through the most common interjections in English. Aha. Ahem. Ah. Ahoy. Alas. Ar. Ah. Bam. Bingo. Blah. Boo. Bravo. Brr. Bye. Cheers. Dang. Darn. Drat. Duh. Eek. Eureka. Ew. Gah. Gee. Good. Gosh. Great. Ha-ha. Ha. Hello. Hey. Hi. Holy cow. Huh? Hooray. Listen. Look. Meh. Oh. Oh dear. Oh my. Oh well. Oi. Okay. Oops. Ouch. Ow. Phew. Pow. Psst. Rats. Shh. Shoo. Thanks. Tut tut. Ugh. Uh-huh. Uh-oh. Wah-hey. Wahoo. Well. What? Way. Whoa. Whoops. Wow. Yeah. Yay. Yeah. Yes. Yikes. Yippee. Yo. Yoo-hoo.